My Miele refrigerator KF1801 is flashing on the inside, 0121_F. What does this mean? I have tried readjusting the temperature settings, but that does not make it stop. I have never seen this signal before. Help.
Hi, welcome to JustAnswer. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. You have a fault in the ice maker circuitry or one of its components. Check for the following faults. 1. Voltage fluctuations. If the fault code remains after switching the appliance off and on, proceed to step 2. 2. Faulty water inlet. Check the water inlet valve. 3. Water pressure too low. Check the water pressure. 4. Ice cube dispenser, output flap, is blocked. Check the output flap. 5. Faulty ice crusher. Check the ice crusher, only replace the ice maker after the above 5 possible causes have been ruled out. Most likely the water inlet valve has gone out. To replace it, water intake valve, 1Y63, 2Y63, removal 1. Disconnect the appliance from the power supply. 2. Remove the front toe kick cover plates, front of unit. 3. Disconnect the valve electrical connections. 4. Remove the retaining screw. 5. Remove the valve. 6. Reinstall in reverse order. The valve is available from any appliance parts retailers. If there is anything else I can do for you, just let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.